Recently, Bjorn Nyland posted a video titled BYD Tong Headlight Test. In that video, he said that the BYD Tong headlights were the worst that he had ever tested. It's a really funny and entertaining video, so if you haven't seen it yet, feel free to go click on over there and watch it, or watch this one first and then go watch his afterwards. One thing that he joked about in the video is that China must not have very many dark and windy country roads like they have in Norway, and that's maybe why the lights in the BYD Tong are so bad. Well, in response to that claim, which obviously I know was a joke, here is some video from a rural country road late at night in Yunnan province in China. In this video, I'm driving my NIO EC6, which of course is from a different Chinese manufacturer, NIO as opposed to BYD. I apologize that the clarity of the video isn't that great. The video was pulled from my dashcam and not recorded with a proper camera. But I think that you will find that the headlights on the NIO are really good and much better than what you saw on the BYD Tong video. One thing that you might notice if you are a keen observer is that the NIO has an LED strip above the right and left front wheels. These strips illuminate automatically when you turn in the corresponding direction. It may be hard to notice on the video, but if you do pay attention, you can see it activate at certain times. In my opinion, the lights of the NIO are very good, but I really don't have much to compare them to. So just sit back, relax, and watch the video, enjoy the ride through Yunnan, and come to your own conclusions. Thanks and peace out.